Welcome to our third day of our meditation program. The last meditation we did is being able to catch your thought when it's small before it takes a snowball effect, and then bring your attention, claim your attention back to your breath. So we're going to go one step forward today. So we're going to start noticing our thoughts, our feelings, and our emotions in the body. So in today's meditation, I'll guide you through understanding the distinction between your thoughts, your emotions, and your feelings. See, thoughts are triggered by your outside circumstances, outside stimuli. And now emotions are the biological and chemical reactions in your bodies in response to an external trigger or a thought. And the important thing to note here is these reactions are happening on unconscious levels in your body. And now let's come to the feelings. Now feelings arise from your brain's interpretation of these emotions. And this is why it's based on your personal experiences, beliefs, your memories. And these feelings are again gonna trigger thoughts. So it's a vicious cycle. So today we're going to go a little bit deeper in where is this thought coming from, so we can slowly start to disconnect. Once we start noticing that you are not your thought, that you are the observation who is watching the thought, then you'll be able to disconnect a little bit faster. So first lesson today is object and subject. So what is the object of awareness and who is the subject? So my friends, in this meditation, we'll consider you as the subject because you are having an observation. And what is the object of this observation? The object could be a thought, maybe a repetitive one from the past, or anticipation of the future. It could be your emotion, let's say uncomfortable feeling in your gut, or your racing heartbeat. Or you could be experiencing the interpretation of these emotions. Feelings. Let's say you're feeling joy, you're feeling sad, you're feeling some other emotion, maybe jealousy. Maybe you're feeling not adequate, not good enough. So you'll simply notice these feelings in the body. So I know this feeling could be uncomfortable. So the whole point of building this awareness in meditation is being okay to be uncomfortable. If you're feeling an uncomfortable feeling, this shall pass too. But it'll only pass and not come back again and again knocking at your door if you can just simply observe it with awareness without judging it. And if you judge it, or if you escape this feeling by drinking, going out with the friends, or any other means, then this feeling is going to come back faster. And you'll get into a loop of running away from this feeling. And as you're running away from this feeling, you can spend your whole life doing that. So now let's disconnect this pattern you've been doing by just chasing pleasure and running away from fear, running away from sadness. So simply observe, because you're here in this body to have a human experience. And the human experience could be sadness, could be joy, could be anxiety. So I'll give you a chart of different emotions in the human body. And there's an energy frequency associated with each emotion. It goes all the way from down, guilt, fear, all the way up to acceptance and continues to love, bliss, merging with the divine. As human being, you have a privilege to feel all these emotions, and by feeling and experiencing these emotions through your circumstances, you become a better human being, a more all-round human being. So my friends, in this meditation, we're going to just simply be the subject of these emotions, feelings, and thought. Let them arise. Let your body be uncomfortable. Let your emotions be uncomfortable. Just simply watch them passing through. Just like you're watching traffic going through, not interfering. But now you're not in the traffic. You're not uncomfortable. You're not stuck in the traffic. But you're in a hot air balloon, just simply watching the traffic pass by. So let's begin. So bring the thumb and your index finger together in Chin Mudra. And remember, you are the subject of this awareness. You are the observer. Close your eyes and start to notice your breath again. Inhale. Holding for 2 seconds. And then slow exhale and continue in silence. For the first 1 minute, we'll just notice any thoughts. Now, if you find yourself carried away by thought, gently acknowledge it and return your focus back to observing. Now, for next 2 minutes, shift your attention on your emotions. Are you experiencing any physical sensations in the body? So you just simply notice the sensations in the body. Notice how these sensations may change even slightly as you observe them. You're not your thoughts. You're not even your emotions or your feelings. You are simply the observer. Now, as you start to build this awareness that you are simply the observer, you'll start disconnecting from your situations, from the circumstances. You'll be less reactive. You would not let life control you, but you would be able to be on the driver's seat. So, my friends, the idea of this practice is not just intellectually knowing all these things, but simply practicing this in your life. So as you're building this awareness through these meditations every day for 10 minutes for the next 7 days, what you're doing is you're cultivating this awareness, you're building this muscle in your body, and you're going to take this awareness into your daily life. This is not just simply there for this meditation practice. This awareness you're building, you have to bring into your interactions with other people, your family, when you're sitting down on a dining table. If somebody says something to you and you react, you notice that this is not you. You are simply the observer of what's going on. So this week's homework is to be able to watch your thoughts, watch your emotions, and watch your feelings, and not be consumed by it. not be driven by it. You're not taking any decision based on your emotions, feelings, and thoughts. You're simply observing it from a distance. So, my friends, I hope you got a little value from this video. In the next video, we'll go a little bit deeper into meditation. But for the next week, just simply find a place in your house or outside where you can sit down for 10 minutes in the morning, and if you can afford time, then sit down for 10 minutes in the evening and simply practice this meditation. If you're looking to practice longer and dive deeper into meditation, consider signing up for our holistic membership on our website. There, you'll find our practice meditation videos and get access to our comprehensive breathwork and meditation courses. If you want to track your progress, you can download a daily meditation journal from our course materials. Just click in the link in the description below and make sure you send us any comments, any feedback, so we can improve this process for you. So we'll see you in the next video.